Okay, today you're going to be learning something that's very important for you to know how to do. You're going to get a price value, and what it does is it either goes up in price or it goes down in price. And you need to find out after that amount is either added or taken off how much the price is. So this right here, we're going to cross out these problems, okay? We don't want to be confused because this is the most important thing. Okay, I have 4 sample problems and you just do the 4 on the back side. Now, the first thing you need to do is decide if you will add or subtract to your price. So my price is $34. The price is going up, so I need to add money. Make sure you know your labels. But you don't know what you're adding. It's not 40. That's 40%, okay? So what you need to do is find the percent of your price. And that's found by dividing the percent by 100. So divide it by 100. So I take 40 divided by 100, 0.4. And then I multiply by the price, okay? So the price is $34, so I'm going to be multiplying by 34. And I got 13.6, so that's going to be 13.6. And that's how much 40% of $34 is. You're finding 40% of 34. So 13.6. And that's how much money you want to add, but you put a 60 there. So 34 plus 13.60 gives me 47.6. Remember to keep your labels, and it's $47.60 is how much that price is in. Okay, that's it. Now the next one, the value is $70 and it goes down by 20% down. So you take your $70 and decide if you're going to add or subtract. Well, it's down. Okay, this one was up, so that's why I added, but this one's down. So I'm going to be subtracting a money amount to find my price. Okay, now we got to find the amount we need to subtract. So find the percent of your price, and you accomplish that by dividing the percent by 100. So I divide 25 by 100, 0.25, and then I multiply that 0.25 by your money amount, so times 70. Okay, so I take 0.25 times 70, and that's going to be 17.5. And that's what I'm going to be subtracting, but it would be $17.50. Okay, so 70 minus 17.50, 52.5. And then put a 0 there so it looks like an actual money amount. Okay, next problem. The value is $300, and that price goes up by 5%. So since it goes up, we're going to be adding another money amount, and I come up with another money amount. So find the percent of your price. What you're accomplishing is you're finding how much money 5% of $300 is. So divide your percent by 100. That's 0.05. Then I multiply by the money amount, so times $300. So that's $15. That's 5% of 300, so I add $15 onto that. So 300 plus 15 is $315. Okay, and the last example, we have a price of $45. and then the price is going down, so I need to subtract money amount to get to another money amount. Okay, so we need to find out how much money 7% of 45 is going to be. So find the percent of your price, okay, and by dividing the percent by 100, so 7 divided by 100. Again, to find the percent of anything, you got to divide that percent by 100. And then multiply by your money amount. So times 45. And that's $3.15. So that's what we're going to subtract from that. So I take 45 minus $3.15. I get $41.85. Okay. That's how much then it costs.